Today I'll show you how to calculate profit margin. You often see this question on your exam paper, but many of you don't know how to calculate, but it is quite easy. So here in our previous lesson, we calculated gross profit margin. I will recommend you watch this previous lesson, then you come back here, okay? So profit margin, what is the formula? It is simple. Profit for the year divided by revenue times 100, yeah? So let us write here the formula. Profit margin. So the formula is profit for the year divided by sales revenue times 100. Okay, so here for your better understanding, we are following a question taken from 2023 IGCSE accounting past paper. So before we solve this here, let us have a look at the question. Adia is a trader. She buys and sells one type of goods only. She has provided the following information. You see here for the year to 31st October 2022, revenue, purchases, expenses and incomes. So here we have also at 31st October 2022, inventory, trade receivables, trade payables and bank overdraft. Okay, these are the information. From this information now we will calculate this margin. Okay, so here profit for the year, we have revenue on the question, but we don't have profit for the year. So this will be complicated to you because you need to calculate here profit for the year, then you will calculate the margin. Okay, so how to calculate profit for the year? You might have noticed on the question we have other incomes and expenses. And our previous tutorial we calculated gross profit. So from the gross profit, if we minus expenses, then if you add incomes, you will get your profit for the year. Okay, so this is the reason you are required to watch our previous tutorial. Okay, now here in this lesson I will not show how to calculate gross profit here. Okay, so here we calculated in the last tutorial gross profit. It was 39,445. Okay, so here on the question we have expenses 31,188 and other incomes $4,630. Okay, so now we will add other incomes. Okay, so here our other income is $4,630. Okay, and from these two we will subtract expenses, which is 31,188. Okay, so now if we add these two items and then from the addition if we subtract this expense, we get our profit for the year. It is $12,887. Okay, so this is our profit for the year. So let us write this here on the formula. So our profit for the year is 12,887. Okay, what was the revenue? So on the question we have revenue for the year to 31st October 2022. Revenue we see here $98,000. Okay, so here we will write revenue $98,000 and we will multiply this by 100. Okay, so now if we multiply this profit for the year by 100, then we divide the answer by $98,000, we get here 13.15%. Okay, so next tutorial will be very important because there I will show you how to figure out rate of inventory turnover.